GrammarlyGO, your new writing partner. Have you ever stared at your screen, unsure how to start writing? We've all been there. Imagine having a professional editor, brainstorming partner, and tone expert in one tool. Meet GrammarlyGO, your next-gen AI writing assistant. GrammarlyGO is more than a grammar checker. It's an AI-driven writing assistant powered by generative text technology. It drafts new content, rewrites text, and summarizes documents. It even suggests responses and tailors content for specific goals. GrammarlyGO helps you write like a pro. GrammarlyGO integrates seamlessly into platforms like Gmail, Google Docs, and LinkedIn. Click the GrammarlyGO button next to your text box. You can improve paragraphs, adjust tone, and generate ideas. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to use. GrammarlyGO offers context-aware suggestions, adapting to your writing intent. Set your audience, tone, and intent with customizable goals. Smart prompts like, make it more persuasive, speed up revisions. Unlike ChatGPT, it works across platforms without copy-pasting. AI-powered responses save time on repetitive emails. GrammarlyGO shines in various scenarios. It replies to emails, summarizes threads, and drafts polished content. From LinkedIn posts to blog intros, it eliminates writer's block. Students improve clarity and tone without plagiarism concerns. Professionals polish reports and marketing copy. Even casual conversations get a glow-up. GrammarlyGO is built on Grammarly's trusted AI platform. It emphasizes user control and privacy. You choose to accept or reject suggestions. The paid tier offers enterprise-grade security, ideal for handling sensitive content. Let's talk pricing. GrammarlyGO is available on free and premium plans. The free plan offers limited prompts. The premium plan, at $12 per month, provides 2,000 prompts and advanced feedback. For heavy users, it quickly pays for itself by saving writing time. Using GrammarlyGO feels like having a writing coach. It generates ideas and rewrites content compellingly. We tested it on emails, social media, and technical copy. It consistently offered strong variations. It's fast, intuitive, and accurate. Pros: lightning-fast suggestions, custom tone settings, works across platforms, reliable grammar, and AI copywriting. Cons: prompt limits on free plan, not a full ChatGPT replacement, limited offline functionality. If you write anything, emails, blogs, reports, GrammarlyGO is essential. It catches mistakes, inspires ideas, and enhances clarity. It saves hours weekly with simplicity and accuracy. Whether you're a business owner, student, or marketer, GrammarlyGO is your new writing partner.